I don't think anybody was born to be a murderer. I don't think anybody was born to be a child molester or a rapist. I think they took that on through their environment, through their society, and through their families, and through their experiences. They pick up those stones. Then I ask them, okay, is this your stone to own? Do you need to be accountable and forgive yourself for this stone? Or is this somebody else's stone that you need to give away? And it doesn't matter whether the other person picks that stone up or not. It's that you need to let it go. That's the freedom, the letting go portion. Claudia Black, who's done a lot of relationship work, said, forgiving is not forgetting, it's remembering and letting go. Self-forgiveness is the key, because how can you forgive somebody else until you can forgive yourself? One of the things we do, and I'm going to say we, normally I say from the I in I messages, but one of the things we as humans do is judge things as good or bad. And the things that I judge as good, I embrace. The things that I judge as bad, I push away. What if it isn't good or bad? What if it just is? What if those are personal challenges and I take them and use them for the most that they can be in my experience in life?